Well, we had such a huge move over the last few days, and with gold now sitting at that 1150 sort of range, I think there's probably the potential to push down a little bit further from here, possibly oversold. You may see a little bit of a bounce, but one thing for sure, over the next, I'd say 4 to 6 weeks, you'll see a lot of volatility leading into Christmas. So they're a very, very good market to trade, and that rolling across, of course, to silver and the other precious metals. Overall, I think there's a lot of uncertainty as far as large currency fluctuations. They'll continue, and that will also impact into the precious metal market. Well, I think at the moment, it's a volatile time. You may be a good point in time when you look back in a couple of years. Was it good buying at this time, or is there further downside? Are you going to see 1,040? So I think that at the present time, it's good buying, dependent upon what currency you're buying in. If you're buying in Japanese yen, it's probably not too bad. Also the euro. If you're buying in US dollars, it may be a little bit more. Well, it's not a bad price either. But there just seems to be a lot of currency manipulation or fluctuation at the moment, and it's not a bad time to be in. But I think you'll go higher over the longer term. I think long term, I wouldn't be surprised at range of $65 to $75, unless you see some dramatic geopolitical concerns. But there's an abundance of oil out of there. We're looking at from a demand side, you're still around that 90 million barrels a day. There just seems to be a lot of competition. Libya's back online. A lot of the Mid East is. I'm not saying has settled itself down. It's far from it. But as far as export numbers and so on, the whole market at the moment, I think, is just awash with oil, and you're going to see a softer price side, over that next number of years.